Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can fix Bluetooth problems on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. In order to do so, we can, for instance, go to the settings, and over here, of course, we might start by going to connections, and we need to make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. In some cases, we might enable airplane mode by accident and then forget that it is actually enabled. So make sure that airplane mode is turned off, and of course Bluetooth is enabled. If you have issues with your paired device, then you can tap on this gear on the right side where you have all your saved Bluetooth devices, and then you might want to unpair the device and then try to pair once again. Over here you can also go to the top right corner where you have these three dots, and then you can go to advanced settings, and over here you can also go to Bluetooth control history in order to see if there are apps that use Bluetooth. So something might disable Bluetooth by I don't know, like an option in the app, so you can make sure that nothing is actually blocking Bluetooth, or at least make sure that it is not being disabled due to the app. And over here we also have block pairing requests, where we have pairing requests from the devices below which can be blocked. So make sure that the app is not blocked for some reason. And I think that's pretty much it. So we can make sure that at least these three options here, also the Bluetooth scan history, and that they do not cause any trouble. If that's not the case, then we can go back, and of course if we still have issues with Bluetooth, then we can scroll down and let's go to general management, and then over here if you scroll down we can go to reset, and here we have the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings option. So if you go over here, you can reset everything that is related to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So everything will be erased, everything will be erased, and you will have to set up Wi-Fi and Bluetooth devices one more time. However, you will restore default settings by doing so, and default configurations. So if you have nothing to lose really, then you can just tap reset settings, and then you will see this information that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are restarted. So of course you will need to connect to everything one more time, so remember to connect to Wi-Fi as well, but you can go to Bluetooth and then try to pair your Bluetooth device one more time. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!